Here are the best affordable alternatives to Yeti coolers on this episode of What's the Deal? Summer means heat, and heat means you need to stay cool and hydrated. Yeti coolers are some of the best on the market with their thick sides and their ability to keep food safe. But they also are really expensive. So here are some of our favorite alternatives to Yeti coolers to help keep your drinks cold all summer long. Before we get to the list, be sure to check out Brad's deals through the link in our description to find deals on all of your favorite Yeti alternatives and some deals on Yeti as well. Now back to the list. First up, Rtic has been selling Yeti alternatives since 2015. They're renowned for their ability to keep their drinks cold and their similar styling to a Yeti. This cooler pictured here is about $100 cheaper than its Yeti equivalent. Orca coolers are another great hard-sided option. And while they're not that much cheaper than a Yeti, they are 100% made in the USA. They come in a variety of size and capacity options. Grizzly coolers are also made here in the States, and they're touted for their ice-keeping capabilities, which is great to beat this summer heat. If you're not going camping and you don't need to keep your food bear safe, you can't go wrong with options from classic manufacturers like Igloo and Coleman. They are often lighter and much more maneuverable than a Yeti. They're much cheaper, and they've been keeping things cold for generations. There are even fancy options, including this Igloo EcoCool Trailmate cooler, which comes with great features and comes in a lot cheaper than a similar sized Yeti. Be sure to click on the link in our description below to shop Brad's deals, where you can save on Yeti and many of the alternatives we shared here today. Until next time, thanks for watching What's the Deal? Cheers.